Hello everyone, this is me Ishrat and I am a front-end developer and also a GHL expert from SD Innovation LLC. So today I am here to explain you a bit more about workflow. Yesterday we have shown you a small and basic workflow, but whenever you are going to make an complex workflow, what kind of problem you will face and how do you professional and complex also complex workflow, now I will show you that part. So let's get into the video. So okay, I'm going to a workflow. And yes, we will work on the same workflow which we have shown in yesterday's video. So yes, here is the test workflow. So okay, whenever we are using a form for a Facebook event, suppose you have a Facebook event and you have a form for your users to whoever submit the form, you will give them message and you will give them email and you will give them some kind of reminders. So how will you do this? So we will start to make a simple workflow for them, right? I have deleted all the actions. Now first thing, whenever you have a user who have submitted a form, what will you do first? You will give them a confirmation that you have successfully submitted your form or you have successfully completed your registration. So whenever uh, firstly we will do today, will send an email. Whenever the form is submitted, you will send an email to the user. So subject will be like confirmation email. Yeah. So again, we will custom value from here. I Whenever we are using the contact form, right, we are using the form, so we will found all the values of the contact form here in contact section. So contact first name and is an information email. Okay, so save the action and it will instantly send an email to your client, right? So next what will it do? Suppose you have an Facebook event in 2 days. So you can set also an event, right? From here set an event start and date. So you will have to select the date and time of the webinar or Facebook event, whatever your event is. You have to select it manually. So select specific date and time. So you can use specific date time whatever. I'm just keeping it simple. So I'm going to make it simple here. So today is 30th January. So I will be putting 31st January, right? You can just set your time also here. So just let me put 5. What is going on? 5 p.m. Okay. So action saved. So now you have set an event time. So in that time your event will start. So after that, what will your movement, like you will you want to send an email or message to your user that in 24 hours before, or 1 hour before, or 2 hour before the event, that a reminder email to your user that you have an event, you have an Facebook event which you have registered yet. So just do a wait, just add an wait event, like event, and see, you can see here an event or appointment time, right? So in event or appointment time, it will take the event or appointment time which you have given earlier, right? So from here you can uh, use before, like before maybe 2 hours or 1 hour. Okay, I'll put here 2 hours before. It will wait before 2 hour of your event, right? So save the action. And also I should tell this, here you can see a option, skip all outbound communication action till next wait or event start date action. What does this mean? Like any of your the so it means whenever any user submit the registration form of any of the time, it will maybe he didn't get this confirmation email, or he didn't get. Okay, so you see, whenever a user just register 2 hour before the event, in that time what will happen, he will receive an email, confirmation email, and also without any waiting time he will just receive the last reminder email, because you have turned on this option, right? So after that what will happen, we will send him an email, that again you have to put a subject. So I can put a reminder email here. And okay, so it's a pretty useful thing. If you have any template previously made or created, you can just select it here, so it will be pretty easy for you. So I'm again using custom value. Okay, so yeah. So uh, what will be this workflow? So whenever a user is submitting the form, he will get an confirmation email, then you will set the event time, then it will wait before 2 hour of the event, and then it will send an email which is an reminder email. So that's how it works, the workflow work. And actually you will you can make many more complex workflow, like you can actually add else if, like else if how we use in our coding, if else things, if else condition. You can just put a condition from here, it will filter out your users and it will filter out your condition. So that's how you can do more complex things by workflow. And also you can also set a name here from which your email will send to your users, right? So you can also, so I'll have to put like ishra dot get innovation dot com. So I'll have to put this uh, so from your agency you must have this kind of things to provide your email. And also you can do one thing, like you can see your history, the user send the email is executed or not executed or removed from the workflow, whatever the status is, you can just easily track from here. And one thing, this workflow will not accept if contact already exists in your workflow. So please make sure whenever you are testing this workflow, you never use same contact from multiple time. So that was about a complex workflow. So if you liked my video, please like it, subscribe our channel, and also if you have any query, please comment it below. Thank you.